Hello, I'm Dr. Shelly. So I was asked a question on my YouTube channel that kindly differentiate between the remedies, Calcarea carb and magnesium carb. So here I am to talk and give you 5 differentiate points between Calcarea and magnesium. So in order to understand Calcarea carb or magnesium, it is very important to understand the central theme of the remedy. There is a central theme of Calcarea, there is a central theme of magnesium. Until we don't understand the central theme of both remedies, it is very difficult to differentiate between these two remedies because these two remedies seem very similar. Magnesium carb, Calcarea carb remedies, they are very passive remedies. They are very mild remedies. They are not very outgoing remedies, correct? So it is very easy for us to, miss a Calcarea or miss a magnesium remedy. So let us understand what is the basic theme of Calcarea and what is the basic theme of magnesium. Let us start with understanding the difference, Calcarea and magnesium. To start with, first thing, first thing which you should remember when you have to prescribe Calcarea is support. So Calcarea needs support. Calcarea craves support. Calcarea has a deficiency to be self-sufficient personality, correct? So they will seek support in all the relationship. They will seek support from their family or from their friend or from their spouse or from their sibling. They always need support to do anything. They may need support if they have to go for an examination. They may need a support if they have to take any decision. They may need a support if they have to take any initiative. But the magnesium remedy on other side does not only need support, they need everything. Magnesium is such a remedy which has deficiency of everything. They need little support, they need love, they need affection, they need respect. Magnesium needs everything. But Calcarea, it's okay if they don't get love, but they want support. It is okay if they don't get affection, but they need support. It is okay if they don't get some esteem or respect, but the basic thing is they need support. Why they need love is because they are seeking support. Why they need respect? Because they are seeking support. They need support. But whereas the magnesium, they need everything. It's a highly deficient remedy, It is deficient of everything. It is deficient of love, it is deficient of affection, it is deficient of respect, it is deficient of love, of support. It has deficiency of everything and they seek these things from outside. Remember friends, whatever we don't have, we seek it from outside. If we don't have love inside, we seek love from outside. If somewhere we feel we are inferior, we have an inferiority complex, we seek validation from outside. Whereas a remedy platina, she is very sure about it, that she is too good. She doesn't need a validation from outside that she is very good. Whereas the palladium, somewhere she feels she's not that good. So she seeks appreciation from outside. So remember friends, whenever you're trying to understand any remedy, whenever you're trying to understand any personality, just see what is the person lacking in, what is the deficiency. And this poor magnesium has deficiency of everything. And the best part going ahead is whenever Calcarea needs support, it will ask for support. It will ask its mother give me support. It will ask its sibling, give me support. Poor magnesium will never ask for support, will never ask for affection, he will never ask for respect. But if they don't get it, they become very introvert. Okay, they become so introvert that they feel lost in their own house. If you don't get unconditional love from their mother or a father, they will not ask, they will not demand, they will not show any tantrums, but they will become too mature, they'll become too understanding, and somewhere they will get lost in their own relationship. They will get lost in their own home. But whereas the Calcarea will ask for it. They'll make sure they get it. Okay? Now, Calcarea is a more egoistic remedy as compared to magnesium carb. Calcarea is a very egoistic remedy. You have a rubric too exclusive. Okay, that is why they ask. They have the guts to ask. Though they feel they have a deficiency of it, but they have guts to ask. The egotism, especially seen between their own people. But whereas poor magnesium, they feel lost in their own house, they cannot ask, they have a very poor ego. They will never be an egoistic person, they will never boast about themselves. Whereas this Calcarea will boast. But where will Calcarea boast? It will boast amongst the people with whom they are getting support, with whom they are comfortable. Whereas this magnesium will never boast. They will be very much very simple people, very yielding people, very mild people, never demanding people. And you always see a Calcarea parent telling, my child is so obedient, my child is never demanding. My child is easily comply to the wishes of others. If we don't give him something what he asked for, my child is okay with it. He's poor magnesium. He is not okay with it. He is not having the capability to ask because he feels orphan in his own house. This is what a magnesium is born with. Again, we'll go to Calcarea. Calcarea has a strong financial insecurity. They're very money minded people. They always have a financial insecurity because as you grow, money is your biggest support. Whereas for magnesium, always emotions, emotions, emotions. Social, social, social remains the insecurity till they die. Okay? Now, whenever a Calcarea doesn't get support, doesn't get what he wants, they cling to the God. They cling. They become more religious. They will read more religious book because they will seek support in God. But we don't see such reaction by magnesium. They'll become rather more introvert. They'll go inside, inside, inside. They'll become more narrow. They'll become more introvert. They'll become more secluded. Okay, they will still not seek support, love, affection. Okay, somewhere in Calcarea, whenever they enter your clinic, you will see a childish element. Somewhere he's childish, he's boasting, he is seeking support, he's talking like a child. Whereas in magnesium, you will see somewhere this child is grown up, suddenly. Suddenly, this child has become so precautious. They become very silent. Hmm? Calcarias are very obstinate. Whatever they want, and they will get it. But their obstination is more towards their, it is more reflected in their family or a known group. Whereas magnesiums become more comply to the wishes of others. जो जीजा जी कहेंगे मैं वो करूंगा, जो पापा कहेंगे वो करूंगा. This is what how magnesium becomes. जो जो बोलता है वो करता है because he lacks that oneness feeling. He lacks that confidence in relationship. He lacks that confidence in the society that he exists. उसका कोई है. He misses that. That is magnesium. Okay. Now, Calcarea develops a strong anxiety of health. Also, magnesium has strong anxiety of health. But why does Calcarea has an anxiety of health? It is a very fearful remedy. That is why he has strong anxiety of health. But for magnesium, he feels no one is there for him. He is all alone in the world. He is an orphan. Though he must be having siblings or father or mother, but his internal feeling is he is an orphan. And that is why he becomes very anxious of health because he thinks, if I'm not well, there's no one to take care of me. I cannot be dependent on anyone to take care of me. So, magnesium carb develops anxiety for health. It is Mr. Calcarea who desires more of milk, but it is magnesium whose body rejects milk. Now, what is milk? Milk is something which is nourishment which is coming from mother. But he is not getting that affection he is not getting that love. See, it can be two ways. One is either he is not receiving it. Second, he is receiving it, but he is so deficient that he is not able to become one with his mother, one with his father, one with his sibling, one with his friend. So he rejects it. So that is why there is a rejection of milk and magnesium carbs. They cannot tolerate milk. Milk is the most basic thing of every person. Okay, milk is equal to your first connection with human being. It's your first support. It's your first affection from mother. It's your first support from mother. It's your first survival support from a mother. But he rejects that because he feels मेरा कोई नहीं है. So this is not the feeling of Calcarea. Calcarea will never feel मेरा कोई नहीं है. मेरे सब हैं, but मेरा को support कोई नहीं दे रहा. This is what Calcarea will say. I'm not getting the support I want. I want lot of support. Doctor, I cannot do without support. But magnesium, doctor, I want support. I want love. I want affection. I cannot ask it. Okay, because मेरा कोई नहीं है. This is magnesium. So friends, this is a small difference between Calcarea and magnesium, and trust me, it's such a deep remedy that if you understand the essence of these two remedies, you can help so many people. Especially, I feel privileged whenever I get a magnesium patient to treat, because I know the feeling of being like an orphan is a very bad feeling. And if someone gets magnesium and he somewhere gets the strength to overcome that feeling, can be the best thing you can do for that person. And that is why magnesium becomes one of the most sweetest darling remedy. So this is in short about difference between Calcarea carb and magnesium, and I hope you all understood the difference quite well. And if you have any queries, you need anything else from me, please put on your comments. I'll definitely come up with new videos and I'll try to share my experiences with you all. Thank you so much.